Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Dr. Zulfiqar Kazmi from Washington, D.C. On behalf of the Common Grounds and Abrahamic Faith Forum, I would like to congratulate Brother Tahir Abbas Al-Asri on launching a TV, TALKTV. Media can play an important role to bring peace and prosperity in this world. As we are suffering because of so many bickerings, differences, and difficulties to understand others, it's very important that media should play its role. And social media have an important role. Talk TV will be bringing true perspectives of peace in our society. Interfaith dialogue and interfaith harmony is essential for this world. We are one nation under God. It's a broader perspective of interfaith dialogue which we initiate everywhere. Until bringing together all faith communities, it's not possible that we can have peace in this world. Peace and development is based on our will. And it's a will of God as well that we have to respect all the religions, and we have to bear with the differences. We have to give the respect to the differences. Talk TV can play an important role in this perspective. Talk TV is being launched on 5th of February. It's a very important day in solidarity of Kashmir.